Hello students, here we are going to see the next topic is based on deleting a node in a single linked list. In the previous video lecture we are concentrated on insertion operation, how to insert at beginning, how to insert at last, how to insert at the specified position. Same thing here also, we can able to delete a node in a single linked list based on the three different types of positions. Okay, deleting a node in single linked list in three ways. One is deleting a node at beginning or first. Second one, deleting a node at end or at last. Deleting a node at middle or specified position. These are three different ways of operation based on the deleting a node in the single linked list. First we are going to see the deleting a node at beginning. Okay, how can I able to delete a node at beginning? Take an example. We having a four different types of nodes. Okay, each node having a two fields. One is data field, one is another field is called as an address field or link field. This link field point to the address of next node, that is adjacent nodes. Okay, so four node occupies different types of data values. It may be similar values 10, 20, 30, 40. So each node having an address, that is 100, 200, 300, 400, that is based on the unique address. Okay, the first node represents a starting address. Okay, that starting address should be act as a head pointer. Okay, it point to the starting address. Alright, here they represent as a start. Alright, so consider four nodes. So our aim is deleting a node at the beginning or first. Okay, we are going to delete a node at the beginning, okay, from the linked list. Alright, so what is the main important things is the head pointer pointing to the first node in a linked list. We have to change the head pointer pointing to the second node of the link. Okay, automatically we can able to disconnect this link to the first node. Okay, then we can able to delete the certain node from the given linked list. Okay, this is an example of deleting a node at beginning. Afterwards we have to change the second node starting address act as an head pointer. Alright, this is an algorithm. So before going to the algorithm, we have to see the example how to delete an element at the beginning in a single linked list. Alright, so this is an example. Alright, so void is a return type and function name. So function name is called delete first. So we have to check whether three conditions. What are three conditions is if head pointer equal null. If head pointer equal null means none other element stored in the linked list, that is node is empty, you cannot delete any element from the given list. Alright, that is none other element present in the linked list means a node is empty, we cannot delete any element present in the list. If there is an existing element means we can able to delete from the given list. Alright, this is the first scenario if condition. Second one, this is a second condition, else part. Alright, so this is an struct is a keyword, node is a tag name. We are going to create a one temporary variable for the linked list, and then I am going to assign temp equal to head. So later I will be explain these concepts. If head pointer next equal to null. So what the meaning says, okay, head, okay, I am having a single node or single element present in the linked list. That element is okay 11 and the null is called as an end of the linked list. Okay, it seems that only one element present in the linked list. Okay, the head pointer point to the starting address of the node. What is the starting address of the node? 1000. Alright, and then if head pointer next, what is head? This is head pointer to next. Okay, that is 1000. Next is called as this field. Equal null means only one node present in the linked list. Okay, condition true or false? Condition true. It can inside the if condition, and then we have to change head equal to null. That is head equal to null means we are going to delete this node from the given list. Afterwards, if you have to check head equal null means condition true, there is no node or no element present in the linked list, and the printf the first element percentage d is deleted from the list. Okay, start temp. Here we are going to create a temporary variable pointer. Okay, that pointer having a certain a location. Okay, in that we have to rechange temp equal to head. What is head value? Head value is 1000. Automatically this node also point to the first node of a linked list. What is my first node of the linked list? Alright, this is my first node of the linked list, that is temp equal to head. And then if head defines next, that is pointer next equal to null, this is head. Okay, head is called as in 1000 point to the next field, that is address field, equal to null. Okay, null equal to null. Here we call as in null. So null equal to null, condition true. So condition true means we have to rechange head pointer act as a null. Okay, this is going to act as a null because we are going to delete this node from the given list. And then printf, the first element percentage d is, what is percentage d? This is percentage d 11 is deleted from the list. What is the use of start temp? Okay, star is called as a value. What is the temp equal to head? Inside the temp we having address 1000. Inside the 1000 address we having a data value. What is the data value? 11. Okay, the first element 11 is deleted from the list. Okay, what is the use of this function is called as an free. So already we discussed dynamic allocation. We having a malloc is a memory allocation. Free is called as a deallocation from the memory. Okay, how can able to deallocate? Once we have allocated a memory inside the linked list, we are manually deallocate from the memory using the function called free. Okay, we have to delete these temporary functions also, temporary variable pointer also. So free temp. Okay, at last, okay, we have deleted from the list. And finally head equal to null. So none other element is present in the linked list. This is second operation. Okay, first operation is we have to check whether list is empty or not. If the list is empty, we cannot able to delete any element from the linked list. Second operation, we have to check whether only one element is present in the linked list or not. If one element means we have to do this operation. Have you understand? And the third type of operation is, we having n number of elements present in the linked list. Okay, n number of element means we having 3 elements present in the linked list. Alright, so each element having a data field 11, 22, 33, and then we having address field for the first node 1000, second node 2000, third node 3000. Right, my aim is we have to delete from the an element at beginning. Okay, we have to delete this node from the beginning. This is my aim, to delete a certain element from the beginning or first, anything else. Okay, make changes in the head pointer. Alright, that is my aim. We have n number of elements. Okay, this is else part. Okay, already we have discussed, check whether the given list is empty or not. Second thing, there is only one element present in the linked list. Third condition, we have n number of elements. This is the third condition. We have to check head equal to head defines next, that is pointer next. Okay, head is called as an, what is head? Head is 1000 points to next. Okay, head equal to head next. What is head next? This is head next is, this is 2000. Okay, here head equal to head pointer next is 2000. I am going to rechange as 1000 into this 1000 should be replaced as here okay, here there is a mistake. Here we have to change that is head pointer this should be changed into head equal head defines next. This is head pointer. Okay, head defines next, head pointing to address 1000, and then head pointer next is, this is head pointer next, we call as a 2000. Okay, this 2000 assigned to a head pointer as, here they are going to represent 2000. Alright, this is 2000. If I am going to assign head equal to 2000 means this link is automatically disconnected and make connection to the second node of the given linked list. I have understand second node of the given linked list. Printf the first element %id. %id means, okay, already we have discussed temp equal to head. So what is the temp? Temp equal to head means already head equal to 1000, before 1000 should be stored here. This also pointing to this, this also pointing to the first node of the given linked list. Understand? And then first element %id is deleted from the list. Start temp, so already discussed start temp. Okay, temp is called as an star, is an a value, so temp is called as an 1000. So value of 1000 is, that is address of 1000 is, they are going to represent an output as here 11. I am getting the first element 11 is deleted from the list. Okay, so automatically we have to free the temp. So before concepts, head equal to head defined next is, we have rechanged the second node address into head pointer. Here we have to already connected link from temp to the first node. We have to delete from the linked list. Here we have to delete from the linked list. Automatically this element is deleted from the given linked list. Okay, and finally we are getting an output as head pointing to the first node, was first node 2000, and then the first element is 22, the second element is 33. This is the way we can able to delete an element from the given linked list. Okay, have you understand? And then, so this is an algorithm. So what the algorithm says, we have to check the three conditions. The first condition, check whether list is empty. Okay, that is head equal to null. If it is empty, then display list is empty, deletion is not possible. If there is no node present in the linked list, we cannot able to proceed any operation and terminate the function. And second condition, if it is not empty, okay, if it is not empty means there is a certain element present in the linked list. It may be a 2 element, it may be 3 element, it may be a 1 element. Okay, define a node pointer that is temp equal to head. We already assigned, because temporary variable going to scan each and every element present in the linked list. That is temp equal to head means they are going to point the first elements. And second one, step 4, check whether list is having only one element. How can I able to check whether temp define, that is pointer next equal to null. If temp pointer means address of the first element equal to null means condition true means that is certain only one element present in the list. If it is true, then set head equal to null. We are going to change head pointer equal to null because we have to delete the single element from the linked list and delete temporary variable, that is setting the empty list condition. There is no element present in the linked list because only one element present in the linked list we have deleted successfully. If it is false means then set head equal to temp define next and delete temp. That is we are having n number of elements. Okay, n number of elements present in the linked list. Okay, we have to change the head pointer to the second node of the linked list. That is temp defined next is maybe 2000, maybe 3000, head equal 2000 is going to point to second node of the linked list and automatically delete the temporary pointers. Okay, so already we explained these concepts. That is first condition and second condition, and third one we have n number of elements present in the linked list. Okay, this is an output. First we have to check the operations on the single linked list: insertion, deletion, display list, search, exit. Okay, our main aim is deletion. Okay, enter charge 2. Okay, the list is empty, none other element present in the linked list. Okay, delete the first element, delete the last element, delete the specified position to delete. Our main aim is delete at first. Enter choice 1, node is empty, you cannot able to delete any element from the given linked list. This is the first operation, first output. If a second condition, there is second condition, there is only one element present in the linked list. That is, the element present in the linked list are 11, only one element. We can able to delete an element. The first element is 11 is deleted from the list. After deleting the element 11 from the given linked list, automatically head equal to null, list is empty. The second condition. And third one, so delete a node at n number of elements in the given linked list. That is, we are having 3 elements, 11, 22, 33. I am going to enter the choice, delete the first element, enter the choice 1. The first element 11 is deleted from the list. Automatically my head pointer point into the second node address. What is my second node of 2000? If head pointer going to point the second node address, that is 2000 should be stored in the head pointer, head equal 2000. Already explained in the pictorial representation. So thank you for watching this video.